And welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I am pleased to offer this 2012 Kia Sportage 2-litre CRDi KX-2 4-wheel drive in metallic black. It has done 72,000 miles since new, has had 2 previous owners and comes with service history. Features include rear parking sensors, a half leather interior, a panoramic glass roof, cruise control and Bluetooth connectivity. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.